What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you clicked on the thumbnail, you probably already know I bought the new Stihl br800C, so I'm going to give you guys a review on it, so stay tuned.
At me.
Alright guys, here she is, Stihl's new backpack blower, the br800C. Just picked this thing up yesterday and I wanted to use it for like a full day before I did a review on it. And let me tell you, it's pretty wicked. I went from the br800 small little nothing to this thing, and it kicks ass. They had a sale going on. I missed out on the sale. It was $5.86, but the guy threw me in 6 things of oil for free at my local Duke Cut, so it was like $700 out the door. This is their 4 mix, so it is still 2-stroke, but it's got valves and push rods, and it sounds pretty cool. I'm running their synthetic oil with it, so I got the extra 3-year warranty, so I got a total of 4 years. Do a little walk around before I fire it up for you guys. Got a primer ball, choke. This is the side start model, which is awesome, guys. I'm telling you, it's so easy to start on the side. You don't have to take the backpack off. You just give it a yank and it like winds up and starts. Pretty good for, like, you know, women or whatever too. It's not hard to start. Telescoping tube. This adjusts, you know, if you don't want it so close to the ground. The handle adjusts for different lengths of people's arms, you know, who have the operator. You got your chest strap here, and then you also have your waist strap here to take some of the weight off, because this thing weighs, I believe it's 25 pounds. I'll put some of the specs down in the description. Huge motor. I'd recommend it, honestly. What else could I say about it? I don't know, I guess we'll just fire it up and I'll give you guys a little test run of it. And then if you have any questions about it before purchasing, just shoot me a comment. I'll gladly answer anything. I was blowing logs with this thing yesterday. I just wanted to see what it would do. And I have a wood pile, and one log was like fell out of the wood pile. But anyway, I went up against that and it blew the damn log like down a hill. Like it's very powerful. So let me get it warmed up. It's cold start. It's been sitting all night. I'll get it outside and try to take you guys along with me and show you what it can do and let you listen to it, because it really sounds good. It sounds like a 4-stroke dirt bike or something. But stay tuned. All right, guys, got her running. She's pretty quiet idling. So I'll flip you guys around. I got some heavy mud like right here from my tractor, so I'll show you what that thing will do. See how far? I mean, that's a good 15 feet away from me, man, and it's crazy. Look, there's some sawdust over there. Watch. And then here's how you shut it off. And then I'll show you guys the side start is right here. Watch. Fires right back up. It's got the trigger lock. You can lock the throttle. But that's it, guys. There's the other tractor, by the way. If you've seen some of my other my loader 8-end, I'll put a link in the video. You can click on to check that video out. But if you guys like it, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe.